In this video, I'm going to create a directional pattern. Extrude 2 here in my tree is my hole. You see that it's highlighted. Now that it's highlighted, I'm going to go to my Model tab, over to Pattern, pick the drop down, and select Pattern. From my drop down up here, I'm going to pick Direction. Now it's asking me to select a direction, so if I'm going to pick in this box right here. I'm going to pick this edge as my first direction. And you'll see that there's an arrow there. I can reverse this if I want by picking this little flip right here. It's asking me how many do I want to pattern in this direction. I'm going to say 5. And now the distance in between each one, which I'm going to make 1.25. Now if I want to pattern in a second direction, I click in this box right here. I'm going to pick inside it. It's asking me to select an edge or an item to help me define the direction. I'm going to pick this edge. Now it wants to know how many. I'm going to change that to 3. And the distance in between them, I'm going to change this to 1. So I've got a little bit of room. If I want, I can add another one here. I'm going to change this to 6. So I'll rotate this around. You kind of see a preview of what it's going to look like. I can increase this to 1.25 to try to fill the area in. Now each one of these dots represents where one of the patterns is going to be located. If I want to omit one or more, all I need to do is select one of the black dots and it changes to white. When it does that, that item itself is not going to be created. So I'm going to omit these 3 right here. When I'm done, I just go, one other option is under Properties. See where it says Pattern 1? I can change this to any name I want. You can type your name here if you want, whatever name you want. And then when I'm done, I'm going to hit my check mark to accept. And my pattern is created, and you'll see that the items that I selected as white have been omitted. If I want to bring them back, I can just right click here, go to Edit Definition, change those items to black, pick Accept again, and now the whole pattern is there.